Alright, welcome back. We are on Excel assignment 5. In this assignment we're going to learn how to create charts. Okay, so first thing we need to do is open up Microsoft Excel and create the worksheet as shown below here. Okay, so we're going to go ahead and just type this up here. So let's come over here, and in this cell we're going to type cool cow ice cream shops. Okay, then we're going to say weekly sales data for September. Okay, and now let's go ahead and type these headings in here. Nevada shop, and then we'll tab over to B1 right here, and we'll type in week 1. Okay, we notice that it went in there and it was too wide for the columns. We're going to click and drag this over here. Now let's try 15 right there. That looks good. Alright, let's continue on. Go week 2. Okay, now come up here and we'll type week 3. Oops. Week 4, and then store totals. Right there. Now, let's come down and fill in the different shops here. We got Las Vegas, Green Street. Oh, looks like we got to pull this over some more. So let's pull it over. I guess that looks like the biggest one. So we will pull this over to, oh, let's do 21. That looks good. Okay, so we'll just go across here with Las Vegas. Oh my goodness. Las Vegas, Green Street. Okay, here we go. Okay, week 1, you got 11,500. Hit our tab. 12,000. 12,500. 11,000. Hit enter. Okay, we're going to come back over here. And Las Vegas. Somebody keeps moving that key. Vegas. Sunnyvale. Okay. 12,000. 13,000. 14,500. 13,000. Okay. Lake, Las Vegas. Lake, Las Vegas. Okay. 14,000. 12,000. 13,000. And 11,500. Okay. Then we got Reno. Okay, they got 16,500. 14,500. 11,000. And 17,000. Okay, Carson City. Alright, they got 12. Oops, that's not 12. 12,000. 12,250. 15,000. 14,500. Enter. And Henderson. Okay. 17,400. 16,000. 15,000. And 12,000. And then right back over here, we're going to type Nevada weekly totals. All right, now we got to make it look like this sheet a little bit, because it all we're doing is calculations and stuff down there. So let's kind of do our own little thing here. Click on A1, go back to our home tab. We want to make it bold. We could change the font. Alright, let's see if we can find something cool in here. All kinds of stuff. Alright, let's keep looking here. I'm sure we'll find something really cool that we like. Narcissism, there we go. Okay, we'll change the font up to 16. Okay, now if I want to copy that same formula from this cell down to that cell, we're going to use the paintbrush right up here. It's called the Format Painter. So click on that and just click on that next cell, and it does the same thing right there. Alright, for this row, we want to make it bold and italicize. And same thing with this one. We want it bold and italicized. Alright. So now we're ready to calculate the store totals and the week totals. Now, we learned to do this on our Excel5 assignment. Okay, so we're going to just click right over here, highlight that. Here's our auto sum right there. Give us that number, and I'm just going to click and drag that over to here. Okay, now if I highlight the cells going this way and hit the sum, it puts it over here. So this is our store totals for the month over here. So we'll click right there, and we'll just drag it down to here like that. Now if you want to do all your Nevada stores together, that right there is the grand total of all of your stores. Okay. Now I'm going to click this out big just for a second because I want to show you something. I'm going to highlight all these numbers, and I'm going to click the comma right here. This comma is going to put in the thousand separator. See that? And then these buttons right here will increase or decrease the decimals. Okay, so I just want to show the dollar amount, just like that. Okay, so now let's move this back over here like it was. Oops, too far. Alright, so we want to, let's see, format the weekly totals. That's these down here on the bottom. So we're going to go all the way across right there. And we're going to right click, go to Format, Format Cells. And we'll go to the number and we'll select currency. And we'll hit OK. Alright, that didn't do much. Let's see if up here. Number. Let's try currency. There we go. Now that put our decimal place back up. So let's see if we can fix that. Yeah, there we go, just like that. Now I want to copy this formula over here. Just like that. I could also copy that same formula down like that. So now I can see that I've got the totals all ready to go there. Alright. Yeah, it probably... Oh, it wants us to show the two decimals. Alright, let's go back. Highlight these all right here again. Right click, go to Format Cells, and we want currency. We want it back out there. Hit OK. It shows that. We also want the $sign. There we go. All right, now let's go ahead and save this as Excel5. So hit your save button up there. Call it Excel5. And we'll hit save. And there we go. Now we're ready to make our charts. Okay, so let's scroll down the next page here. We save that. It says you will create an embedded chart. So go to the insert ribbon right up here. Here's our charts right here. And first off, we want to select A4 to E10. So A4 over to E10. Okay, so we got that part right there like that. And then we're going to come up here to the charts, and we're going to click on the column chart. Now, what kind of a column chart do we want? We want a 3D column chart. So we're going to click this one right here, 3D cluster column. So just like that. All right, then it says we can move the chart here so it's not covering our table there in the back. So we want to put it so the top left corner of the chart is on B16. So we're going to grab the graph and just kind of come over to B16 right there. So see right here, we're on B16. All right, go ahead and hit save. Just like that. All right, the last step is it wants you to print out the worksheet with the graph. Okay, so we're just going to go over here and we want it landscape. So let's go to page layout right here. See, I'm on the page layout tab. We're going to click on orientation right there and we're going to select landscape. Okay, if we go to a print preview, let's see if we can do that. File, print. Okay, this is what it's going to look like. The reason it's only showing the graph right here is because we have the graph highlighted. So let's go back to the Home tab. See, it's highlighted. So we're going to click off of that. Now let's go back to go File, Print, and we see the preview. There we go. All right, now it's not landscape though. So portrait orientation, we're going to change to landscape orientation. Just thinking about it. There we go. It just updated itself. Okay, so now all we got to do is come up here and click print, and it will go to the printer. So go ahead and save this now. Excel5. And then you also want to upload it into Moodle. All right, now you're done with Excel5.